Now you've learned the building blocks of AI agents, the brain, memory, tools, triggers, and actions. But now wait, it's time for the fun part, actually building an AI agent. But wait, where do you build an AI agent? It's like you don't play basketball on a tennis court. You need the right playground for AI agents. In this lesson, you'll look at some of the most popular playgrounds or platforms for building AI agents, and by the end, you'll know which one's best for you. So, a platform is a place or environment your AI agent lives and works. Think of it like Minecraft servers. Some servers are super easy with plug and play mods. Some other lets you code and customize everything. And some are from advanced players who want total control. AI platforms are the same. Some are simple and beginner friendly. Others are powerful but require more coding. You get to choose your adventure. Now, Replit. Replit is like a digital classroom and a workshop in one. It's like an online coding platform where you can write and run codes in your browser. No downloads needed. Why kids love it? Super easy to start. Just sign up and start coding. Has AI features which lets you debug and write codes. Great for making small agents and learning Python basics. So you can say you made a chatbot that remembers your name and your favorite color. Glama. Glama is a new tool focused on letting you create agents without too much coding. It's like Canva but for AI agents. Why it's cool? Drag and drop style. It lets you create agents quickly and for school projects, art, or fun experiments. Perfect if you want to build something fast and show it off. So, you can say an example project is a homework helper agent that explains math in simple steps. The OpenAI GPTs. OpenAI lets you create your custom GPTs inside ChatGPT. That means you can design your agent personality, instructions, and even connect it to special tools. Isn't that crazy? Why is it awesome? Awesome. No coding required. You just fill an instruction like your funny science tutor who explains everything with jokes. So super safe and super reliable since it's built by OpenAI. So, example project is a joke-telling science agent that teaches you chemistry with memes. Isn't that funny? So, LangChain. It's like Lego for AI agents, but with way more pieces. It lets you connect memory, tools, and multiple agents together in powerful ways. Why is it powerful? You can build agents that use multiple steps, lets you combine APIs, databases, and external tools used by professionals, but also great for kids who like coding challenges. So, an example project is a research team agent. One agent that searches the web, another summarizes, and another makes a slide deck. CrewAI. It's like forming a group project, but all your teammates are AI agents. Isn't that crazy, awesome, and fantastic? You can assign roles like one agent is a researcher, one is a writer, and one is an editor. Why it's one? You get to see how multiple agents talk to each other, perfect for creative projects or teamwork style experiments. An example project is a birthday planner crew. One agent finds the themes, another makes the invitations, other creates the shopping list. So, and AutoGen. It's like a factory for AI agents. You set the rules and the agents keep working together automatically to solve problem. Isn't that cool? So why it's advanced but cool? It's great for experiments and big projects. Let you build more AI agents that can chat with each other until the task is solved. It's more advanced but really powerful once you get the hang of it. An example project is an essay writer that brainstorms drafts and edits your essay with 3 mini agents. Okay, so which one should you start with? Here's a quick cheat sheet. Absolute beginner, no coding yet, start with OpenAI GPTs or Glama. Beginner but curious to learn code, try Replit. Love building with blocks and connecting stuff, go for LangChain. Want to see agents work as a team? Go check out CrewAI. Curious about professional grade experiments? Explore AutoGen. The best part, you don't have to choose one forever. Start simple and grow as you explore the more advanced ones. In this module, we'll set up our very first playground account. We start with a really easy one. Build super simple AI agent like homework helper or a daily motivator. Compare same agents that might look on different platforms. By the end, you'll know what's you're most comfortable building. So, remember, the platform is like the playground. Some are like swings, easy and fun. Some are like roller coasters, a bit more advanced. And some are like giant theme parks. So no matter which one you pick, the goal is to build your own agents and bring your ideas to life. Next up, we'll actually get inside one of these playgrounds and build your very first agent. Exciting, let's go!